Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I am currently in my garage. The other day I was washing dishes and we have plastic utensils probably just like everybody else does. But my wife loves purple and this handle here is purple, but the back side is, I'd say, like a light brown or beige, like light brown or beige or something like that. And I noticed that right here there is a slit, like a crack on this side as well as this side, but this side had a little bit of blackness to it, and I thought at first that would be like maybe a burnt stain or something. So I took a scrub brush and something not abrasive, scrubbed it, and I noticed that it did come off, but it didn't look right. So I got a flathead screwdriver just like this, and I basically just went here like so and popped it open. It took a little bit of effort to pop it open, and I found nothing but black. I think it's either dirt built up or some type of mold, which I'm not too sure, but it's around here as well as around here. Now, who would ever think that something like this, like a utensil, like a utensil right here, would have something on the side of these handles? Now, I have this one, and this one. Now, I don't know if what I found inside this handle is going to be those handles. All right, so I got my other, this is a spatula, okay? And what I'm going to do is I got a little small precision screwdriver. I know I had the other one, but somehow it wasn't working when it did before. So I'm going to do it, see, pop it open like that. And pop it open like that. Okay, so, all right, so this one's got a little bit of blackness. So this has got a little bit of blackness into it, especially right to follow this. All right, it's got blackness there. It's got a little bit of blackness down in here, and blackness here. But surprisingly, this one is not as bad as this utensil, as this one. This one's worse than this one. So now I'm going to get the other one and take the other one apart as well. All right, so now I got this one right here. All right, same thing. Pop it through, which went right straight through the one side to the other, and see if I can bust it open. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Now look at that. Hopefully you all can see that. It's black right there. A little bit of a lot of black around here. And look at the handle too. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at all that. Yeah, look at all that. All that. And I could actually take my flathead screwdriver here and actually just do this. Look at that. Little flaking right there. That's disgusting. So if you have plastic utensils like this, and if you've had them for years, maybe beyond years, because people say if you take care of your utensils, you don't abuse the utensils, the plastic utensils last a very long time. And I know my wife has had these for years. But you never know what's inside of your plastic utensil. Now, just be aware that whoever watches this video, that if you decide to do this, to see if inside of your plastic utensil handles look like mine here, just be prepared that you may not be able to get them back together again. But my wife said, no, we're going to order new utensils online, or basically through Amazon. So these are actually no good. So, all right. So I took the other 3 utensils apart. This is the 4th one, and this is also what I found too. It's got mold I think it might be mold, or it might be a lot of dirt built up, which dirt built up could possibly turn to mold and make you sick. Depending on how you take them apart. I use, like I said, I use a flathead screwdriver. But when you take them apart, it actually ruins it. It actually ruins it right there. Which kind of stinks in a way, but my opinion is it was well worth it, because when I saw that blackness on that handle, and I was really nervous, because I was like, why is that there? When I cracked it open, as you saw, that's what I was afraid of. So yeah, so these are actually garbage. So, all right, everybody. So that's going to be it for the video. Like I said, I just wanted to do this video to show you all that I never thought in a million years to look inside of a plastic utensil handle to see that. I mean, honestly, that's gross. You don't know. Steam could have loosened up, went in the food. You don't know. I mean, you really, really don't know. It's almost like not taking a chance, but you really don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was helpful. If it does, you know what to do. That's it. Till next video.